Right now, a quiet revolution is happening in the job market. Companies are rethinking who they hire, which means fewer chances for many young professionals to get started. Artificial intelligence is now doing much of the work entry-level employees used to handle. For Gen Z, this shift is hitting hard. Analysts call it the Job-Pocalypse. Today, we're breaking down what's happening and how you can adapt. A Guardian report found global companies are cutting back on entry-level hiring because AI is faster and cheaper. The World Economic Forum projects 44% of all job skills will change within 5 years. Almost half the workforce's skill set will look different by 2030. Entry-level workers are feeling the impact first. Tasks like writing reports, organizing data, and answering emails are now handled instantly by AI systems. It's not mass layoffs, it's more subtle. The first step into the workforce is quietly disappearing. Entry-level jobs are training grounds where new graduates learn teamwork, time management, and real-world operations. But now, many graduates here, we're looking for someone with more experience. How do you get experience if no one gives you the first shot? That's the core of this job-pocalypse. It's not just about losing jobs, it's about losing the chance to grow into one. In marketing, AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai are able to write out copy and campaign briefs in seconds. In customer service, chatbots can handle thousands of messages 24/7. In finance, machine learning systems are able to forecast sales and manage budgets in no time. Even in recruiting, AI software screens resumes, sometimes deciding who never gets a human interview. For companies, it's efficient. For new job seekers, it's a locked door, affecting creative, analytical, and digital roles Gen Z is prepared for. Indeed data shows entry-level job postings are down about 27% since 2022. Industries like marketing, tech, and customer support are hit hardest. Even internships are disappearing. Companies use AI for reports and content instead of interns. Humans are now expected to be AI-ready. It's not all bad news. AI is taking over routine work, but it's also creating new opportunities for those who know how to use it. Experts say this is the best time to learn to work with AI. Here are 4 strategies to stay ahead. 1. Learn the tools. Get comfortable with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI systems. Using them effectively makes you more valuable. 2. Build a visible portfolio. Show your skills with projects, a blog, and online work examples. Employers want to see proof. 3. Mix creativity with tech. Those who combine human insight with AI efficiency, like writers using AI research, will thrive. And 4. Explore freelancing or side hustles. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer ways to earn money and build experience. AI is closing some doors, but opening new ones. You just have to be ready to walk through them. Historically, every major innovation has replaced some jobs and created others. The difference this time is speed. AI is advancing faster than schools or policies can adapt. The future of work belongs to those who can learn new skills quickly and apply them creatively. In a world run by automation, the most valuable thing left is still being human. The job-pocalypse might sound dramatic, but for many young workers, it's real. Still, this isn't the end of the story. AI might be replacing old paths, but it's also building new ones we're just beginning to see. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more explainers on AI, jobs, and the future of work. And check out the links below for resources to upgrade your skills before the bots do.